I'm Julie Williams. I'm Professor of Neuropsychological Genetics. I work at the MRC Centre for Neuropsychiatric Genetics and Genomics, where I head up neurodegeneration. Well, I've always been curious, and I suppose in my younger days I was curious about how the brain worked. I became a psychologist, a research psychologist, and then from there became interested in genetics and worked on trying to identify genes for psychiatric disorders such as schizophrenia and psychological disorders such as dyslexia and most lately Alzheimer's disease. I've been working in the area probably for the last 20 years and 2 years ago we came up with our most significant findings. We identified 2 genes that increase your risk of developing Alzheimer's disease, the common form of Alzheimer's disease. After that we added our data set with other data sets throughout the world, and we now have 10 genes that increase your risk of developing Alzheimer's disease, which I'm glad to say I think is getting somewhere in this area of research. Well, identifying genes will pinpoint the processes that are going wrong, the mechanisms, and some of the genes that we've already identified are pinpointing some of these. It's to do with immunity, for example, or to do with the transport of cholesterol, lipids in the brain, and specific cellular processes. This is really exciting because it's new and it's giving us fresh ideas about what could be going wrong, because it's only that information will give you the new targets for potential new treatments in future. Well, I think it's very important. I mean, that most of the money that supports our research comes from the public through taxes or through charitable donations. So it's right that we should tell people, what we're doing, what we're finding, and how things are going. Science is great fun. Science, is the way to take things forward, because it gives you the sort of information that you can rely on, and that's how you make the right decisions. That's how you get better treatments, and understand the world around you.